Whether you're a home chef or a professional one, having the right equipment is essential. At sousvidechef.com.au, we have Australia's largest range of sous vide equipment, as well as every other kitchen must-have. Let's take a run through your wish list and see how we can help. Firstly, there's every type of vacuum sealer, a must when it comes to sealing food correctly, ready to sous vide. We have home vacuum sealers and commercial vacuum chamber sealers. We have food dehydrators in all sizes and price points, and food smokers, including top quality flavoured wood chips. Plus we have a whole range of accessories and chef specials too. Just think of any top quality brand and we have it. In fact, we hand select our entire range to ensure it represents absolute value for money. And last, but definitely not least, there's our sous vide products. Our huge range includes domestic and commercial solutions in both sous vide machines and immersion circulators. We've tested them all and can advise you on what would best suit your needs, so please don't hesitate to ask. It's easy to find everything you're looking for at sousvidechef.com.au. We pride ourselves on providing the very best shopping experience, starting with you browsing the store all the way through to getting your product in a timely manner. Everything is straightforward, including our flat rate shipping and, in some instances, free shipping. So when it's time to kit out your kitchen professionally or at home, visit sousvidechef.com.au for the top brands, best solutions and most affordable products shipped right to your door. sousvidechef.com.au. Highest quality, fast shipping and guaranteed customer satisfaction.